All right, in this video today I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to create your own investment website. um, this video is not advice for any fraudulent activities. I do not advise if you create this website you should use it for anything. This is just for educational purpose, for those who want to complete their project in school and maybe hackathon, a challenge, wherever. So this video is not for any fraudulent activities. I don't do this for anybody to use it for scamming or anything, but this is just for educational purpose. So in this video today I'm going to show you guys or teach you guys how you're going to create your own investment website, right away from the beginning to the end. So my name is Lawrence. I create videos how to make money online and some affiliate tech and some tech tips. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash that red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop an awesome video like this. And to my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. So as I earlier said, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to create your own investment website using some scripts. So if you need a script as well, you can contact me. I'm going to drop my number in the description below. You can contact me so that you can get it as well. So it's not free, mind you, it's not free. It's a very good sweet script, like latest version of it. You really enjoy it. So now without wasting much of our time, let me dive into the Alright, without wasting much of our time, happy new year to you guys. Thank you guys for always being alongside with me right away from the beginning at this moment. I could remember when I started this YouTube channel, I think I was having only 200 subscribers, and even that one that was when I was into sub for sub before I started having audience and the rest. So thank you guys for supporting and always buying tools from me. So happy new year wherever you are. So today I'm going to take you guys, really, as I earlier said, I'm going to take you guys how to create an investment website with trading and some trading features and the rest. It has almost 3 features in one website. So the reason why I uploaded this script before like continuing with the video is because to save time, because I knew that this is going to take time to load. From this uploading it is going to take time, so that was why. You can see the MB also is almost about 265 MB, so the files is very large. So it's one of the reasons why I uploaded it before time. So let me load this site, let me load the subdomain, because I've created subdomain for this particular video. So I've created a subdomain. Let me click it. Let's see what we get there. You can see here, that means the domain is pointing perfectly. Okay, so let's go back to the main cPanel here. So if you might have purchased the script, this is what you're going to do. Once you have had your domain, you're going to click on files. So once you click on files, I know your domain will be pointed at the public HTML, then double click. So you're going to upload it here. Let me delete the shit out. Okay, you're going to upload here. You click on upload. Once you click on upload, click on select files. Then at this point of time, I'm going to look for the script. See, a lot of scripts I have there, so any kind of script you need. I even still have a HypeLab version 5.4.1 version. See, Node, and everything is working perfect. That's the latest version. Okay, so any kind of script you can contact me. You can see this is a script. After you've purchased it, this is what you're going to get. Okay, so I've already uploaded it. So here it is. I'm going to click here to open it. So I'm going to extract this. Please, you should be very careful. This is where you're going to concentrate so that you know what you're doing, so that when you get error you won't be blaming me and then telling me a lot of things. So make sure you understand what you're watching, so that both of us won't have argument at the end of the day. So I'm going to extract this. Click on extract files. So as it's extracting, let's go to the cPanel. I'm going to create database. So I'm going to type database. Where is database here? Database, manage my database. So at this point of time, let's say I'm going to create new database. So it will be like test. Okay, test, and then create database. Create database. Go back. So I'm going to create database user, right? So it was test. Click on test, and then the password. I'm going to generate the password. I don't like this one. I will change it. I like this one. It's very simple. Make sure the password is very safe with you, and then click this. I've copied the password, then use password, then click on create user. Okay, so let's check if the files has been extracted. Good, it has been extracted, right? So let me click on the link again. I'm going to reload the link. You can see this page is not working. So some of you now, this is where you will reach, and then you will be like, boss, site is not loading, because installation is not yet done completely. So you're going to experience this error, but you shouldn't panic. Okay, people should not panic. So let's go back, and then go back to the database, and then we're going to add it together. This is test database. Click on test, and then add database to user, and then you make sure all the privileges are marked, and then make changes. Okay, so as you make the changes, let's go back to the files, right? Please, this is what you're going to do. Please don't forget this. You're going to connect your database to .env. First of all, you need to right click in order to protect your database logins from hackers. You make sure the permission is 600. It's very important. It's for the security purpose. So the permission should be 600. So if it's not 600, make sure it should be 600. Then you change permissions. So I'm going to edit it. I'm going to click on edit. Okay, so I'm going to change this database password, replace it with the passwords I created. So for those of you who are not new, you know what I'm doing, but if you're new, please be very careful. Learn this. It's very, very important. So you can see now I'm going to copy the user and then the database, then click on this. I'm going to copy it, and then we'll go back. We're going to paste the database and the user. Okay, you can see database username, and you can see database. So you make sure it's correct, because if it's not correct, it will be denied. It won't go through. So at this point of time, I need to set my PHP version. It's very important. You need to check it. So I'm going to PHP version, PHP. So click on multi PHP manager. Okay, please don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel if you're new, and if you're not new, God bless you for always being around. So this is the domain I'm working on. You click on this sheet, and then you click to change. Okay, so the required PHP version is 8.2 EA, PHP 8.2. So you apply the changes. So is applying, right? Let me allow you to finish applying before I switch to another. So another step here is to upload your MySQL database. It's very important. So let's go back here. Let's go to our cPanel, and then click on my phpMyAdmin. Where it is, okay, you can see phpMyAdmin. So you click here. So now we're going to upload the database. Good. So the database I created, you can see here. You click on this, it's loading, and then I'm going to import. Before then, let's check if the PHP version has been applied. Yes, it has been applied. Everything is done. So now we're going to upload the SQL. So you click on this. So inside our files, the files is going to come with your SQL and then the main files. Okay, so I'm going to look for the SQL. Why is it so far? Good. This is the SQL. Click on open, and then import it. So at this point of time, I'm not going to drop the link, the admin link. I'm not going to drop it here. I'm not even going to teach you guys how you're going to do it, but I'm going to create, like at the end of the day, I'm going to create the general admin login details, which after you purchase a script, it will come as default. So I'm not going to do it inside this video. It's just for the security purpose. I'm just going to leave it like that. For those, hackers also watch videos and then know what they will do. They know what they can loops that they can be able to get into database and the rest. So the link, I'm not going to drop it here. I just want to do everything, and then everything should display live so that I should see it. You should see it. And then, so at this point of time, I've uploaded the database. So let me try to load the site again. Let's see what we get here, right? Let's see what we get. Good. Boom. You can see the site is working perfectly. So now you can be able to go ahead and create your account, do anything you want to do, and then you can log into the admin and then edit the remaining parts of it and make sure everything is working perfect. So I always say this work is not advised for any criminal activities. It's not advised for any fraudulent activities. It's just for educational purpose. So please, I do not advise it for any fraudulent activities. So if you like my video, please thumbs me up and you can share it to your loved ones. And if you're new on my YouTube channel, please endeavor to splash the red subscription button, click the bell icon, turn it to all in order to get notified whenever I drop awesome video like this. Love you guys. See you guys in another video. So that is it. May I be Naija boy. I don't know how to speak English. No, I just speak Pidgin at times. I don't go to school, but I be good. So if you need wallet drainer and then wallet flasher, you need online banking, you need any kind of script, you can contact me, you get it as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in another video.